Good morning. It is Monday and I'm actually meeting two of my best friends, Joan and Aubrey, for a lunch date. We're going to this place called Daily Drip. It's a really different coffee shop and it's actually right next to these cute apartments here in Scottsdale. I didn't know that, but yeah, they have salads and you know, what's it called? Avocado toast and little snacky lunch stuff like that. But then I'm really here for the coffee.
Tell me something, it might just take the pain away. See, I've been thinking a million things I want to say.
So I'm home now. Oh my gosh, that coffee was so delicious. I ended up having a white hazelnut mocha with vanilla cold foam on top, but they dye it pink for this time of year. It was so cute. And then I had avocado toast with arugula, and Joan had a crepe that looked so good. I don't think I vlogged that, but it was just really fun to catch up with them and have some girl time. But then I had one of the most exciting calls that probably I've ever had here on YouTube. I have such a really exciting opportunity, and I know it's so annoying when people say they can't talk about it yet, but I can't really talk about it yet because I don't have all the details squared away, but it will involve you guys and an opportunity, possibly an opportunity for you to come along with me on a special adventure. I'm going to actually take a poll to kind of gather interest and see if this is something that you guys are even wanting to do with me. And then if you really are interested, if there's a good number of people that want to do this opportunity, then I'll move forward with it. But I'm super pumped about it. And it will be for late October, early November time period. So just be on the lookout for me to give more details about that. I'm definitely going to mention a little bit of it on Instagram too. And I just think that it's just really exciting. I have a good feeling about it, really good feeling about it. So we'll see. So it's Thursday. I just got done using the Too Faced Let's Play palette again. This is actually the third time I've used it this week. Show you guys the eyeshadow a little bit closer. It's definitely more of a neutral look today. I did use the more burgundy and red shades in this palette earlier this week, and they're very pretty. The ones that have more of a sheen definitely are the best performing in this palette. The mattes are a bit powdery, but are very pigmented and will eventually blend out really beautifully, as you can see, but they took a little bit more work than the MAC shadows that I've been using recently. I fell back in love with some of my MAC shadows, but I would take this for like my travel palette. I might end up taking this with me to Disney. If you guys don't know, I'm going to California with my family, my parents, Haley and Brian, my brother and my sister-in-law. So we're going like end of February, early March. Yeah, I can't wait. I also have the gloss on. I've been wearing this all week too. So if my lips have been shiny in any vlog recently, I've been pretty obsessed with the shade. I just love it. And it's a little bit, it has that tingle and plumping effect, but it's not too crazy. I don't feel like it's that strong. And then the blush I have on is one of the cloud blushes, but not the bright pink one. It's actually this one in Golden Hour. It's been my go-to lately. Okay, I gotta go do my hair and get to work. Also, if you're wondering about this mirror, it's amazing. I absolutely love it. I've been using it ever since I got it, and it's my new favorite thing. So I had to just quickly mention that again too. It's awesome. Excuse Holly in the background eating. Good girl, I'm glad you're eating dinner, honey. Good girl. But I wanted to show you that Christina sent me these really pretty earrings for like a Valentine's gift, or just like I'm thinking of you gift, which I thought were so cute. Then I have this bracelet that my mom gave me that's super cool. I think she got it off of QVC. Let's see if it'll focus. There's like a little flower bead. See, it says believe in a heart. And then right next to it, those are lava stones. And if you put essential oils on them or your perfume, it ends up lasting a lot longer, I guess. So that's really cool. And then it has just like different stones. I repurchased my Wow Dream Coat for curly hair. This stuff is a game changer for my hair. I really, really love it. This is the third bottle, I think, that I've gotten. What? What is it? Mommy's got to work. I actually got to work from home today, which was amazing. See Holly in the background? I picked up an Ulta order, which I'm about to show you guys what I got. Nothing too special. I actually might show you in the morning when I'm getting ready. Oh my gosh, my hair is so crazy. I've been doing things around the house, like just cleaning up dishes, cleaning up the kitchen just now because I did a baking video. Actually, I'll show you them in the oven right now. My dad made homemade lemon curd, and I still have some left. I don't know if I showed you guys the other day. Homemade lemon curd. So I made these lemon bar cookies. They're kind of like that. Like a shortbread cookie with the lemon on the top, and you bake it on the top like a thumbprint cookie almost. I'll show you, they look so yummy. Look at those beauties. I'm going to a birthday brunch today at Wine Girl, I think is what it's called, in Scottsdale. It looks super cute from pictures I've seen, so excited about that. And just getting my friend Nicole's birthday gift together. And I realized I already wrapped all these up, but then realized I didn't show you guys. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to film a little bit while I'm there. I'm going to try to get there earlier than the girls to film some, because I don't know a lot of the girls that are coming to this party. So I don't want to be like trying to film people, if you know what I mean. I know Nicole will be fine with it. This is the dog treat, Holly's dog treat. I know Nicole would be fine with it, but yeah, I'm just saying I don't want to commit to that. So I wanted to show you guys the present that I got her. She has a beautiful home. She's a real estate agent. So, not that these gifts mean anything about that. But I was thinking of things that she would actually use. And I saw this taco salad to me little kit that was at Ivy&Sage. It has a little tea towel with taco salad directions and then like an avocado scooper. And then I figured this can go in the oven as well as be something you serve with, but you could do like your own even lower calorie taco shell at home, like bake it. I don't know. I was thinking like that, or just use it as no taco shell and this is your taco shell, you know what I mean? If you're going low carb. But I just thought it was cute too, taco salad to me. And then I saw this and had to get it. I like to cook with wine. Sometimes I even put it in the food. It's just too cute. And I thought it went with the theme today since we're doing her brunch at Wine Girl. Today I'm going to a birthday brunch for my friend Nicole. We're going to Wine Girl in Scottsdale. And this dress I just recently got at Dillard's. I'll try to link it if I can find it for you guys. It's really fun.